Hey, what's going on, guys? Got Gerard here. Today we got Christian out here with us. Both learned how to nose stall a couple weeks ago. Today we're going to be trying the nose stall revert. Full disclaimer, we tried this trick before, but we got rained out. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. I think last time we were trying it, we definitely were doing a couple things wrong, trying to spin maybe a little bit too early. Today we're going to give it a shot. Try coming all the way in before we hit the revert and see if we can get it.
Actually, that's all 100% true.
Let's get it. All right, had a good session out here. Got some tricks landed. I finally got the nose stall revert. Christian still work in progress. How you feeling, dude?
I feel like I'm close. There's just one key component I haven't got yet. It's actually doing it, but...
Key component, landing the trick.
The trick. We got some good falls, though, for your entertainment. It's not over yet, nose stall revert.
And then,
coming for you.
For me, I think the biggest thing that changed from last time to this time, foot placement a little bit. I moved my back foot back a little bit more into the pocket, and then I really just tried to focus on dropping back in. I think last time I was so focused on trying to pivot that I wouldn't shift all my weight back, and I think that the key to this trick is that you're still pivoting on your back foot. It looks like because your front wheels are sliding, that's your pivot point, but you're really pivoting on your back foot. So that's what helped me land it. Christian's gonna get it next time. Maybe a clip we add to the end of this video.
Hopefully so. Let it be written. So let it be done.
Let it be done. And so it was said. But that's it for this time, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Let it be written.